Imagine this. Your mother is discharged from the hospital after being treated for pneumonia. She is tired, but the doctor says she's stable. The nurse reviews discharge instructions. Prescriptions are sent. Follow up is recommended. 2 days later, she's back in the emergency room in septic shock. She does not survive. So now the questions begin. Was she discharged too early? Did someone miss something? Was this malpractice? Or was this simply a tragic outcome? Most people believe that when harm happens in healthcare, accountability is immediate and very visible, but healthcare accountability is procedural and it is structured around legal standards, not emotions. So let's simplify what malpractice actually requires. A bad outcome does not automatically equal malpractice. For malpractice to exist legally, four things must be proven. First, duty. The physician or nurse had a responsibility to care for the patient. Second, breach. The clinician acted below what a reasonably careful clinician would have done in the same situation. Third, causation. So that breach directly caused the harm. And fourth, damages. There was measurable injury. If even one of those elements cannot be proven, there is no malpractice case. So that distinction surprises people because emotionally harm feels like fault. Legally, it requires proof. Investigators examined the chart line by line. What did the discharge note say? Did it document improvement clearly? Were vital signs stable over time or just briefly? Were lab trends improving or simply less abnormal? Was there documentation that the patient understood warning signs? Were return precautions specific? Was follow up scheduled or merely recommended? Did the nurse document patient education and comprehension? Foreseeable. Foreseeable means this. So, based on the information available at the time, would a reasonably careful clinician have predicted a meaningful risk of deterioration? If the answer is yes, and discharge still occurred, that strengthens a malpractice claim.